So, you've always wanted a classic Shelby Cobra, but your wallet keeps telling you to stay in your lane? Well, what if I told you that you could build one yourself, by hand in your garage, and end up with something even better? This is where the Factory 5 MK5 Roadster comes in, the latest and greatest from the king of kit cars, and it might just be the most exciting DIY project you've ever laid eyes on. Let's talk about why this thing is a game changer. Well, first of all, the Mark V isn't just another tweak of the Mark IV. No, this is a whole new beast. The backbone of this machine is an all-new rectangular space frame chassis, which might not sound like a big deal at first, but trust me, it is. This frame is 55 pounds heavier than the old one, but here's the kicker. It's 400% stiffer. That means sharper handling, better ride quality, and a car that just feels more planted. You could carve corners like a surgeon with this thing. Another cool touch? The cockpit. Ever sat in a classic Cobra and felt like you were squeezing into a shoebox? Not anymore. The Mark V's cockpit is made for real people. If you're 6'5", 330 pounds, and rocking size 14 shoes, guess what? You'll still fit. The floor is 2.5 inches lower than before, which not only gives you more headroom, but also improves the car's center of gravity. That's a win-win. Now, let's talk suspension, because Factory 5 didn't just throw in whatever was lying around. You get choices. A classic live axle setup if you're feeling old school, or an independent rear suspension, sourced from the 2015 Mustang, for that extra bit of modern refinement. Either way, you're getting forged aluminum control arms up front, which means stronger, lighter, and better handling. Plus, there are two ride height settings, one for the street, one for the track. Because let's be honest, you're gonna want to track this thing at least once. And power? Pick your poison. One of the best parts of building your own car, you get to choose what goes under the hood. Factory 5 is giving you plenty of options. From the classic Ford 289, 302, and 351 Windsor V8s to the modern Coyote 5.0. Feeling wild? You can even shoehorn in Ford's 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, a monstrous lump of iron block fury that'll turn this lightweight rocket into an absolute missile. But wait, maybe you're a little rebellious. Maybe you want to drop in a Chevy 350 or an LS motor. Is it sacrilegious? Yeah, kinda. Will it work? Absolutely. Factory 5 doesn't judge. They just make sure you have the best platform possible no matter what you put in it. Now, if you've ever tackled bodywork on a kit car, you know it can be a nightmare. But Factory 5 listened. The Mark V's composite body has been seriously upgraded. Thanks to improved molds and better gel coating, their test builder, Jeff Kleiner, reported a 60% reduction in bodywork needed. Translation? Less sanding, less frustration, and a smoother, more professional-looking finish right out of the box. Plus, the new body comes with DOT-approved LED lighting, keeping things legal and making sure people actually see you coming. The British-style amber front signals and red rear taillights still give it that classic look, but now with modern reliability. Now, this one's huge. For the first time, the Factory 5 Roadster has a removable hardtop. And it's not just an afterthought. Inspired by the Ferrari 275 GTB, this sleek one-piece carbon fiber top transforms the look of the car completely. The catch? You have to remove the windshield and trunk lid to install it. But let's be real, if you're building a car from scratch, a little extra assembly isn't gonna scare you. Here's the best part. You can get all this for way less than you'd expect. The base kit starts at $24,990 for the live axle version and $27,789 for the independent rear suspension. Want to throw in that Godzilla V8? That's an extra $650 for the installation kit. And the hardtop, that'll be available in September 2025 with pricing announced closer to launch. Factory 5 has been refining their Cobra replicas for 30 years. The Mark V is the culmination of everything they've learned, and it's easily their best work yet. It's lighter, stiffer, faster, and more comfortable than ever before. It's a car you can build your way, whether that means an old-school carbureted V8 and side pipes, or a modern fuel-injected monster with independent suspension. And here's the kicker. When you're done, you're not just driving any car, you're driving your car, one that you built bolt by bolt. There's no feeling like it. So yeah, if you've been waiting for the perfect time to jump into the world of kit cars, the Mark V might just be the dream build you've been looking for. Speaking of dream builds, have you checked out what Factory 5 is doing with their new supercar concept, the F9? That's a whole different level of insanity. But I'll show you. So here's level 1.